Hi, I am Riyaj. Do you want to anonymize yourself? Do you want to protect yourself from online? Do you want to secure your device from malware, ransomware, spyware, and phishing? Then this course is for you. If you don't know anything, you can still do this course. I can guarantee you will get a complete idea about anonymous privacy and security yourself. Reason this course has been started from scratch. At the beginning of this course, you will get to know each others, then you will know about operating system, then what is network and how it is used. Then you will know about the best browser and search engines for better privacy. Then you will be taught to use fake addresses, temporary numbers for verifying anything, and also show you how you can use temporary email for verifications and also have a bonus how you can use Mastercard temporary. You will then be shown how can create a private and anonymous email. You will then be shown to use private and anonymous conversation and encryption. Then you will be talk about cryptography. Then you will be shown how to anonymize file sharing. Lastly, we'll give you an idea what your goal should be. Your question may be, what is the most secure operating system in 2022? Actually, this is the wrong question. Most modern OS is responsibly secure. What is not secure are people. They are far more a security issue than a choice of OS, programming language, etc. I use Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, and so many things on a regular basis. I don't worry about the OS. I worry that I will do something insecure. That is the real issue, not which OS I am using. Well, if you want to get a anonymous while suffering the web, an operating system can't do it. Because an operating system is system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. But the only and only Linux operating system that will help you to be secure and anonymous easily. So you can use Linux operating system. Linux is an open source, so there are many versions of it. The best of these are Ubuntu OS and Anonymous OS. If you are a new user of Linux, I recommend you to use Kali Linux or Parrot OS.
In this lecture, I will try to explain to you which is between Kali and Parrot be best for you. Kali Linux. Kali at its core, it is developed according to Debian standards. It was first released in March 2013 with the aim to be replacement of the Backtark OS. Parrot OS. Parrot OS is similar to Kali Linux and is an open source Debian based operating system. It is used for cloud pen testing, computer forensics, hacking, and anonymity. It was first released in April 2013. The similars between Kali Linux and Parrot OS. Full for penetration testing. Both are developed on Debian standards. Both can support 32-bit and 64-bit architecture. Both OS support cloud BPS. Okay. The difference between Kali Linux and Parrot OS. Parrot OS, no graphical acceleration required. Kali Linux, graphical acceleration required. Parrot OS, minimum 320 MB RAM is needed. Kali Linux, minimum 1 GB RAM is needed. Parrot OS, at least 16 GB of disk space is needed to install the operating system. Kali Linux, at least 20 GB of hard disk space is needed to install the operating system. Parrot OS, it has a much better user interface. Kali Linux, it has a simpler user interface. Parrot OS is very lightweight and runs amazingly well on legacy hardware with a smaller number of resources. Kali Linux, multilingual guide that opens up its platform to a variety of non-native English users. Okay, now you can use whatever you want. Both are used Debian based Linux distributions, so terminal commands are the same. Now it's your choice which one you want to use. And Parrot are very similar, and both cases will get almost the same facilities as beginners.
In this lecture, I will show you how you can add Kali on the virtual machine with ISO format file, because it's a very common format file. Everybody know about ISO format file, and so many people ask me why I am not showing with ISO format file. So, okay, first open your favorite browser and go to Kali website. Okay, then click the get Kali. Okay, click the play method. Okay, you can see Kali was 2021. Okay, last release 1 June 2021. Okay, now you click the 64-bit, and for download, click the download option, or you can also download torrent file. Okay, okay, install a version. Okay, I already downloaded the file. See, okay, 2021 to installer. Okay, 64-bit ISO. Okay, okay, size 4.24 GB. Okay, now open the Oracle VirtualBox software. Okay, a machine. Okay, for create, click the new Kali. Okay, with ISO. Okay, okay, change the machine folder address. Okay, type Linux version Debian 64. Okay, next, 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 next. Okay, okay, create it. Okay, now click the start button. Okay, wait a few moments. Okay, see, select setup disk. Okay, okay, add. Okay, see, okay, open. Okay, see, okay, okay, choose the file. Okay, then choose. Okay, now start. Okay, see, okay, graphical install. Okay, remember one thing, with ISO file, it's a very annoying, because you need to do everything manually. Okay, and it's very annoying because you need to waste time too much. It's take minimum half an hour. Okay, and it's very risky because you must empty one disk. Okay, okay, suppose if I want to install on there, I must empty totally because when I choose that file, this system will this will delete it everything. So okay, so I recommend you do not use with that way. It's very bad for fresher. Okay, so I'm not showing the next step because it's very annoying and dangerous. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, that's it. But next lecture I will show you how you can add Windows on virtual machine with ISO format file. Okay, see you soon. Hacking Lab is a lab that is basically used for offline and online based ethical hacking, computer networks, web penetration testing, and bug bounty practices. The goal of the Hacking Lab is to create an environment where you can become a cybersecurity expert by practicing live securely as anonymous. Why do we need to have a hacking lab? Suppose you think you don't need any hacking lab, you will start hacking without a. All of this requires special tools, software, and a variety of operating systems. If you think that you can continue working with your computer without hacking lab, then you need to disable antivirus and firewall to use most of the tools and software you need to use. As a result, your PC can be a victim of viruses, malware, spyware, ransom at any time, and the data in your collection will be at risk. So we need to use Hacking Lab. Hacking Lab can be of two types. One, physical lab. Two, virtual lab. Building a physical lab requires a lot of money. The reason you have to use a lot of devices here as well as work and build a structure which will be very time consuming and cost huge money. On the other hand, you don't have to spend money to create a virtual hacking lab and it saves time. So we will use virtual hacking lab. Say, oh, I understand, but here we can use dual mode operating system inside of hacking lab. Yes, you can, but you will not get the same benefits as the hacking lab. You will not have the opportunity to use multiple operating systems at once. The computer needs to be restarted every time there is an operating change. If there is a mistake in the setup, all data on your C drive will be deleted, which is extremely dangerous and annoying. So we will use virtual hacking lab. What is needed to create a virtual hacking lab? A good quality computer, a virtualization software, and operating system. About good quality computer. To create a virtual hacking lab, at least 100 GB of disk must be left empty. It depends on how many operating system you want to use. If you want to use more operating system, then you have to empty more disk space. Then 64-bit processor, and your computer must have a minimum of 8 GB RAM to work well. About virtualization software. Then you need a virtualization software. It allows you to run two or more operating systems using just one PC. Virtualization software, also called a hypervisor, is what allows on computer or a server operating system. About operating system, then you need to download the operating system you want to use. We will add a Linux distribution operating system here. I will also show you how to add Windows and mobile operating system into virtualization software. As a result, you will do easily add any operating system without the help of anyone. Now I will talk about virtualization software. You can use any one virtualization machine to create a virtual hacking lab. But in 2021, there are two software that is their names and VMware. I recommend you to use Oracle VirtualBox because it's completely free. Okay, open your favorite browser. Okay, then go to Google and search Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, okay, okay. See, Oracle VirtualBox, downloadable software. It's a free and open source. Okay, developed by Oracle Corporation. Okay, available system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, okay, and etc. Okay, day ago, and first published 14 years ago. Okay, written in C, C++, assembly, Python. Okay, it's a Oracle VirtualBox website official. Okay, go to web. See, you can see on there about screenshot download. Okay, for download, go to download. Okay, then select the operating system you are using. I am using Windows, so click the Windows. Okay, download. Okay, if you are using OS, then you must download OS. If you are using Linux, then you need to download Linux distribution. Okay. Okay. Now search VMware machine. Okay. Okay. It's a paid. Okay. See VMware workstation. Okay. Last update 56 days ago, and it's released 1999 and available Windows and Linux. Okay. Writing in C, C++. Okay. Now click there. Okay. VMware Workstation Pro. You can buy online on there. Okay. See. Okay. They are showing future. Okay. Workstation pricing. Okay. VMware Workstation 16 player, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Plus support basic 1 year. Okay. If you want to use VMware Workstation, then you need to use VMware Workstation 16 Pro. Okay. Okay. You can also see features on there. Okay. Okay. For buy, click buy option. Okay. Okay. Click the add to cart option. Okay. For buy, you need to create an account. Okay. Okay. Then you can do payment with Visa, Mastercard, PayPal, and others. Okay. Okay. You can also do trial. Okay. For that, go to overview and then see try Workstation 16 Pro. Okay. See VMware Workstation 16 Pro. Okay. Workstation 16 Pro for Windows and Workstation 16 Pro for Linux. I am using Windows, so click there. Okay. Download. Okay. Okay. See, it's a 30-day free trial. Okay. And no need to registration required. Okay. After 30 days, you must activation code. Okay. Okay. Install the Oracle Virtual software. Okay. Install it anyway. Okay. You can also do and then open or run as administrator. Okay. Okay. Then next version 6.1.26. Okay. Then next. Okay. You can change location. Okay. Okay. Create a state menu. Please shortcut on the desktop. Okay. Next. Yes. Warning network. Yes. Ready to install. Install. Wait. Okay. Okay, so already great. Showing shortcut. Okay. Okay. Finished. See, that's it. In the previous lecture, I created virtual machine for Kali Linux. In this lecture, okay, for that, open your favorite browser. Okay, you go to Google. Okay, search Kali Linux. Okay, see, Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. Okay, it is maintained and founded by Offensive Security. Okay, okay. You can also read. Okay, on Wikipedia. Okay, development history requirements. Okay, okay, and tools. Okay, okay. It's a Kali Linux official website. Okay, go to. Okay, it's offensive security website. Okay, Kali and okay, see offensive security community projects, penetration testing tools for info security professionals. Okay, you can see. Okay, all project on there. Okay, okay. See Kali.org. Okay, okay, okay. Get Kali. Okay, see. Choose your platform. Okay, light and dark. Okay, it's a theme. Okay, okay. See virtual machine. Okay, okay. See. Okay, it's a theme. Okay, light and dark. Okay, okay. See, we want to use virtual machine, so it's for virtual machine. Okay, see virtual machine, Linux, VMware, and virtual box images are available for users who prefer or with specific needs requires a virtual machine installation. Okay, my computer is 64-bit, so I already selected 64-bit. If your computer is 32-bit, select 32-bit. Okay, go for check. We press the Windows plus X. Okay, and go to System and see System type 64-bit. Okay, okay. Okay, it's for VMware. It's for VirtualBox. Okay, we're using VirtualBox, so we will download VirtualBox. Okay, okay, you can download on there. Okay, but I recommend you to use torrent. Okay, torrent. Open with new tab. Okay. Okay, save torrent file. Okay, save. Okay. Now you can use free download manager software or qubit torrent software. Okay, that's a good software for torrent file. Okay. Okay, click. See, showing torrent Kali Linux is already in the transfer list. Okay. Okay, see. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can also use Parrot OS. It's also Debian-based operating system. It's also a good for ethical hacker. Okay, Parrot OS is a Linux distribution based on Debian with a focus on security, privacy, and development. Okay, you can also read on Wikipedia, okay, about Parrot OS. Okay, it's a Parrot OS official website. Okay, go to download for download. Okay, okay, you can see on their get home edition and get security edition. If you want to use Parrot OS, then go to get security edition. Okay, okay, I recommend you to use KDE desktop. Okay, it's a perfect for ethical hacker. Okay, so for do download, click get torrent, click the get torrent. Okay, okay, okay. You can also use on mobile. Okay, see the Kali Net Hunter project, the first time open source mobile penetration testing. Okay, platform for Android devices. Okay, see it's for okay, with Samsung, LG, Nokia, boot. Okay, it's a very easy way you can access quickly. Okay, but beginner it's not perfect. Okay, okay, now go to Kali. Okay, see and see type open VirtualBox format achieve. Do directly import that. Okay, and see open with. Okay, see now. Okay, open it. Showing import. Okay, virtual application. Okay, name. Change the name. Okay, Kali Linux 2021. Okay, okay, see this is Debian 64-bit. Okay, CPU2 you can change. Okay, RAM 22 GB. Okay, you can change on there. Okay, so 1024. Okay, 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 machine this folder. Okay, I'm changing on there. Okay, G. Okay, everything is okay. Now click the import. Okay, I agree. Wait a few minutes. Okay, see, import is complete. Okay, now start. Okay, see, failed. Open a session for the virtual machine. Okay, okay, for USB. Okay, okay, go to setting. Okay, see, invalid setting detected. Okay, USB page. Okay, so go to USB. Okay, select USB 1.1. Okay, see, now nothing show. Okay, on there. Okay, okay, again start. Okay. Okay, see, running. Okay. Okay, wait a few moments. Okay, see. Okay, showing username and password for logging. Okay. Okay. Go to setting. Okay, general description. You see, username is Kali and password is Kali. Okay. Password is Kali. It's okay. Okay. Now shut down. Okay, that's it. In this lecture, I will talk about IP address. So, the full form of IP address is Internet Protocol Address. There are two parts. The first part is Internet Protocol and the other is address. If you look closely, you will see that the Internet Protocol is also composed of two words. Well, first, let's know what is the protocol is. Protocol is the process by which the communication system is controlled by computers and various device or data transmission systems software. Now you may be wondering what the Internet Protocol is. So let's find out. Different organizations have developed different types of protocol. For example, FTP, that means File Transfer Protocol, NetBEUI, AppleTalk, TCP, etc. Among these protocol used on the internet is TCP, that means Transfer Control Protocol. It's called IP, that means the Internet Protocol is the principal communication protocol in the Internet Protocol suite for relaying datagrams access network boundaries. Its routing function enables internetworking and essentially establish the internet. Okay, now ask yourself, what is the address? An address is a collection of information. We all have home address. With this address, anyone can visit our home very easily. Another example, suppose you ordered a burger online. However, you didn't add your address when you placed this order. So, will you get a burger? The simple answer is no. They can deliver it to you properly. Similarly, we use our digital devices such as laptops, mobile phones, etc. All the website we have meant. You cannot enter the internet without an IP address. Well, to make the whole thing a little easier, if someone wants to send you mail, you need a mail address. In the same sense, a remote computer needs your IP address to communication with your computer. We all know about YouTube. Every people watches video from YouTube every day. When you watch a video on YouTube, you are receiving data and information related to the video from YouTube on your device via the internet. Now, in order to receive data and information from YouTube server to our computer, YouTube servers will need an address, because in this web of the internet, that server of YouTube to provide data will never find out computer device without a people address. And when using the internet, this address within each of the device are called IP address or internet protocol address. In short, IP address is a numerical level assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the internet protocol for communication. Okay, suppose 372 suppose 372 New York, this is strict address. There are basically two versions of the IP for publishing IP address. The first of IPv4. IPv4 is a 32-bit binary number. Only number are used for IPv4 address, and the association can have the amount IPv6. IPv6, the English alphabet are used. Now let's see how many type of IP address. There are four different type of IP address: public, private, static, and dynamic. Which, while the public and private are indicate of the location of the network, static and dynamic indicate permanency. This lecture is about public network versus private network. So let's start. So what is public IP address? A public IP address is an IP address that is used to access the internet. Public IP addresses can be routed on the internet, unlike private addresses. It is globally unique IP address assigned by Internet Service Provider, that means ISP in short. Each and every private IP is associated with Internet by the help of public IP address. NAT means network address transfer, is designed for IP addresses conversation. It allows router to act as an agent between internet and local network. It refers to computer connected directly to DSL modems without a router. And now, what is private IP address? A private IP address is a non-internet facing IP address on an internet network. Private IP addresses are provided by network devices such as router using network address transfer. Okay, NAT. Contains a specific IP addresses automatically. They need not by unique over. It means various devices can have same private IP. Private network, it referred as internal IP address. Private IP addresses are special home network. So private IP address versus public IP address. Private IP address is scope local. Public IP address is scope in global. Private IP address, it is used to communicate within the network. Public, it is used to communicate outside the network. Private, private IP addresses of the systems connected in a network different in a unique manner. Public IP address may differ in uniform or non-uniform manner. Private IP address, it works only in LAN. Public IP address, it used to get internet service. Private IP address, it is used to load network operating systems. Public IP address, it is controlled by ISP. In free of cost. Public IP address, it is not free of cost. And private IP address, unregistered IP, but public IP address, registered IP. And lastly, private IP address given by administrator, but public IP address given by internet provider NA. Private IP address. Private IP can be known by entering ipconfig on command prompt, but public IP address can known by searching what is my IP on Google. And private IP range 10.0.0 or to 10.25.255 or 172.161.255.255 or 192.162.116.1.105. So public IP range beside private IP address, rest are public. Example 13.17. Private and public IP, but private third level. So let's see LAN, local area networks. It's internet, but it's for device. See, it's for internet, but this one 192.168.1.100. Okay. So also have so many images for understood. Okay, see, it's a public network. Okay, but this one is for private network. Okay, same things. It's a private network. Okay, it's connected with router, but this one is public network. Okay, see how it's work. Okay, this one is internet, then it's give ISP, then we connect with router. It's a okay. Okay, let's see. Internet, it's a public IP, but when we connect with Wi-Fi, then it will be private. This lecture is about VPN. In this lecture, I will show you how you can see your IP address and also show you how you can change. So let's open your favorite browser. What is my IP? Also, I'm just showing my IP. It's my IP. Okay, for check, where's am I? This one. What is my IP? and now showing it's a you already know about this one. uh, and it's on Denmark. Okay, so for where am I, you can also give this one or check your location. Where am I now? Okay, so you can also use Google Map for check this one. Okay, so I am nearby Hong Kong. Okay, but it's a Denmark. Okay, okay. So now I want to change my IP. So for this one, you can use VPN. Okay, so on my browser. So this one, it's a VPN. It's a so click on there, then click on there, then you can choose which one you want to use. Suppose I want to use Russian. This is my IP, but now it's off. If I click on there, then open. Then will we check see what's my IP? Okay, use what is my IP? Let's see, it's changed. So if I go any okay, where am I? This time you can't see anything because you are now track you, then he will see you are now Russian. Okay, so I hope you understand this one. So this way you can line. So that's it. It's a very interesting and informative lecture because in this lecture I will show you how you can get paid VPN for free. So let's start. So first open your favorite browser. Okay. Okay. Now first we will know about Namecheap. Okay. So search on their Namecheap. You can also search on their fast VPN name. Okay. It's a Namecheap site. And there. Okay. So see on their available VPN. Click on there and fast VPN. And you can get free trial 30 days. Okay, see, choose your best plan available 1 year. Okay, per month $1. And if you choose only for 1 month, then you will get completely free for 1 month. Okay, but every month will cost $5.88. Okay, see, in the previous session I used fast VPN, then I showed that I was on Denmark. So see, I used VPN and this one is fast VPN. At this time fast VPN is so popular one. Okay, so for get free 1 month, click on there. Then if you have account, then you can access, but if you have work, then you must create another one, then you will get access. Okay, so If you have an account, then click sign up, then create, then you will get completely free this one. Okay, and second one is clear VPN. Okay, so let's see this one. It's also paid. Clear VPN site. Okay, so my account. Okay, I have one account, so click get clever VPN. Okay, so for the must use 30 MB per day, and you can't access all that available 1 month, and you must cost two. Okay, okay, also have. Okay, so how you can get 1 year for free this one? So you need to use this coupon. Okay, so if you, it's a paid. Okay, so if you use on there, it won't work. For work, you must create account first. Okay, first you need to create account, then you will see that on the showing for enter this code, then if you enter, then it will work. Okay, so first try to create account. Okay, abc xyz. Okay, so enter. Okay, it's great. Okay, I won't verify this one. Okay, because I only want to show you how it will work. Okay, so go on there. Okay, in my account. Okay, maybe I need to verify. Okay, see on the screen, random promo code. Okay, click on there and enter this one and apply. And see your code is successful applied. Now see what's happened. I got 1 year completely free. So this way you get 1 year okay. And one script, see how you will get. Okay, first you need to go this one. This one is his site. Okay, you can also search on Google for find this one, this site's address, google.com, and paste. See this one site. Then you need to click register. Then you need to verify. Then go on there. Okay, same things. Click on upgrade. Then scroll down. Then same way you need to enter random code. Okay, and after random code you will get 30 GB for free. Okay, that means on the limited bandwidth is 30 GB. Okay, and then you can download the software from your device, then you will get free access for 30-day and 30 GB limited. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this lecture and see you in the next lecture. In this lecture, I will show you how you can change Wi-Fi MAC address. Okay, so for change, first you need to add Wi-Fi adapter already added. Let's see is it available or not. So they're showing, see USB on they're showing no USB device there. Now want to add you can. So now see is it add or not. See on there showing right sign, that means it's add, and also showing a circle, that means it's adding. Okay, on the okay it will, on there showing green, that means it's add properly. Okay, let's see is it add or not on there. Nothing show on there. Okay, if it's add properly, then on there showing will show Ethernet and all available Wi-Fi. Okay, so open the terminal. You can also use ifconfig for see is it add or not. Okay, if I enter ifconfig, now it will take sometimes because it's not attached properly. So okay, so wait a few seconds. Maybe now it will work. Let's see. Now available Wi-Fi networks showing. Okay. Now use ifconfig for check is it add or not. See on this showing LAN 0. It's a Wi-Fi adapter. Okay. Interface name is LAN 0, and on this showing the IP. The IP. So to go a root user, then some SEO, then give password, then Siri, then again I have okay, first clear the screen, then again type I have config. Okay, now ether. So for this down use I have config LAN 0. So let's check is it down. Okay, let's check actually is it available or not. So use I have config LAN 0. On this showing, yeah, it's available, but on there don't show, that means it's down at this time. So I want to change the MAC. Then the name is ether. See, okay, so give this one, then give the value. Suppose I want to give this one the MAC address on there. You can also change, you can give randomly, but remember on there available 6 for everyone has 2 value. See, you can use smaller A to Z, also you can use capital A to Z and 1 to 9. You can't use a special character on there. Okay, let's enter. Now before up this one, first we need to check is it works or not. So use I have config LAN 0 on the showing, yeah, it's changed. So again use I have config for check is it down or not. Yeah, it's down, so we need to up for works. Okay, so use if config LAN 0 interface name. So if another one, then you must give the your interface name. Okay, then up. Okay, for up, then enter, and again it takes sometimes for change your value. Okay, it's have, but it takes sometimes for setup. Okay, it will restart. So I have config for check is it actually works or not. Okay, so enter. Now see the MAC address is changed. Okay, so this way you can change any once. Okay, In this lecture, I will show you which browser is the best for in 2022. Okay, it's a article from online. Now see, best overall, and they're showing Chrome because free and also gives some descriptions why it's best overall. Then best for security is Firefox because it's have ad blockers and also have so many things. And for best customize this. Okay, so let's see best, and they're showing which one is the best browser. Okay, best security, they said it's a Firefox, customize social media. Okay, now why best overall? And then they give a descriptions why it's a best overall Chrome. Okay, they said it's free, features, apps, supports Google service, includes tab, group management, ability, desktop, Windows, Mac, Linux, and you can also use mobile phone, iPad, and base code. Okay, data, user ID, device, location, etc., etc. Okay, and what's the wrong they do? They collect lots of data and use lots of memory. So your computer or mobile will be from us. Okay, but the profit is library and across device. Why best for security? So many reasons why it's best for security. The good thing is protect against spyware and blocks almost all pop-up. And the fault is customize high memory, also same, but not like Chrome. Chrome takes so many. Okay, and another one is falls behind other browsers in its. Okay, and why best customize? They said okay, data between devices, ability, everyone, and profit is offer for customize, and and why it's not good because from iPhone, iPad version RAM. Okay, so for every browser. Okay, let's see another article, and this one is from Brave browser. Okay, why Brave? Okay, on there they talk about Brave versus Chrome. Okay, so let's see. A Brave browser built a perform 3x faster. That means it's battery life. And okay, so I hope that how the Brave, and at this time Brave is the one of the most security and protect browser. And at this time I am using Brave. So, oh, I hope you understand why Brave. Okay, then another one is what you do online is your business, not ours. See, there's the main point. But Google take every information about you. But Brave, you are not a product. Your browser should not spy us. And if anything you will search on Google Chrome, then they will take the list. But Braves don't do this. Okay, and another so but on their have a condition. Some countries they keep the rears. If you are not available on there, then you can't get. Okay, so which one is Firefox versus Brave? And it's from Mozilla Firefox site. Okay, on there we'll compare Firefox browser to Brave. Okay, let's see security and privacy. Same protect browser mode. Okay, everyone. Then block third party default. Okay, So you don't need to use another extensions if you use Firefox and Brave and blocks script, that means pop-up and block social trucks. Okay, so on there everyone is similar. Okay, so it's for utility. Okay, okay, autoplay blocking. Okay, tab browsing, bookmark manager, automatic. Okay, search engine options on there. Six twist piece, but Brave don't have. And on their browsers, you can screenshot full screen with, but only can do with Firefox, and it's you don't need to use any extension. Okay, so another one is portability. Okay, see, usability, same mobile usability. Okay, password management, primary password, it's not available on the. Okay, overall assessment. So they said you can use Firefox. So I recommend you to use Brave and Firefox. You can use Twin. This lecture is about the anonymous and secure file extensions. So let's start. So in this lecture, I will show you some browser extensions which one will make secure from online, and it will do anonymous yourself, and also it's a very powerful because with these extensions you can do so many things. So is AdGroot. Okay, this one block ads. So every day and every times we browsing so many websites, and some sites have so many ads. So for watch the contents you must watch the block ads. So for block these ads you can use this software. See, already blocked how browser. So on Chrome it blocked this one. So I hope you understand. On there and these sites. Okay. So you can also use this software from your conscience, and it allows to block any element on a page. Okay. So another one is cookie. So what is the cookie? So with cookie you can do anything. Okay, let's try to install cookie on there. Okay. So let's see. It's add on there. Okay, and pin this one. So they're showing. Okay, now again go to Google and go search on there Netflix. Okay, so go on. Okay, it's a Netflix. Okay, okay, sign out. You see, it's a Netflix site. Okay, so I have a friend which I so without login and registration I can watch anything on there. So how you can do this? So with cookie I can use this one. Okay, so first delete everything, then import. So what I import, I another user's cookie. Okay, so if your friend use Netflix, then if you take his cookie, then you can use. So import, then let's try see is it work or not. Okay, see without logging and registrations, I can log in users. Okay, its payment is
खुद देख
okay.
चुके हैं कि इस एक्सपेरिमेंट ने कितने कपल्स को मिलाया है।
तो अगले
So
10
I have
दिनों
to
तक
understand this
आप
one.
सबको यहाँ
Okay, and another thing is video downloader with okay, on there. Okay, then another one. So let's try. So now I am in Google. Okay, if I click on that, then I will see the technology, which technology they use. That it's also block ad. That means it's removed. So let's see for Brave. Okay, you already know about the cookie, and this one is the VPN. You can also use extension VPN. So now my IP address is this one. So if I use Firefox, then it will show this IP, but I can also use another browser, another IP. So if you use two or three browsers with together, then you can use everyone's another's IP with these extensions. Okay, so for Firefox, I used this one times. I can customize myself with YouTube. Okay, you can customize fully your YouTube. Okay, so this way you can use. In this lecture, I will talk about how you can access dark web. So you cannot access dark web with any browser because it's a very complicated. Because dark web access, if you go dark web, it's a crime. So for before go to dark web, you must secure your operating system and you must anonymous yourself. Then you can access dark web. So you must need use some another browser which allow you to access dark web. So you can use Tor browser. It's a very common browser for access dark webs, and every user using Tor browser for access dark web. Okay, if you use Brave, then you also can access Tor. See, on their available Tor browser, new private window with Tor, but it's not looks like same as a original Tor browser, but you can access dark web. So for better security, you can use Tor browser. So first you need to download Tor Browser. So okay, it's a Tor's website. So go on there, download Tor Browsers. Then see on there showing for donate. If you want, if you interest to donate, then you can, and you can use any operating system on there without iPhones maybe. Okay, every device was available tool. So now I am using Windows, so click download for Windows. Okay, it's showing that you can download where. Okay, already have, see, already I download this one, so I'm not interested to download. Maybe size is 17. Okay, use install one. Okay, it's a 73 MB. Okay, so cancel it because I already have available. So okay, and see also available these sites to account. See, if I click on that, then it will go on onion. See, it's an onion site, and every dark web site is .onions. But if we are using every site is .org, .com, .bd, .uk, .usa, .edu, etc. But for dark web, every site's top level domain is .onions. See, .onions, and it's a dark webs. Okay, site. Okay, and remember, you don't open the full screen. Now I am full screen. It's a very risk. Okay, your information will be leaked if you use full screen. See, I already download this one. So for install, right click on there and run as administrator. Okay, so click yes for install and select your language. Okay, then select the folder where you want to put this software. Okay, I am interested from my desktop. Okay, and this is creating. Okay, and install done. Okay, I am not interested to create shortcuts. Okay, finish. Okay, now delete this one, and if I delete this one, then will we delete Tor browser. So right click on there and see start for Tor. So double click on there for open. It's the first time, so it takes some time. Okay, routes your traffic over the Tor network run by thousands of around the world. So if you interest always connect automatically, so you can do. I'm not interested to connect always, so uncheck this one, then click connect. Now see, it's trying to connect so many with so many layers. Okay, see on the showing, yeah. Okay, so wait a few minutes, few so many time. Okay, now see it's done. Okay, and it's the full screen, so you can. Okay, now see how many layers it's create. Okay, so for check, okay, search on there. Okay, suppose I want to go Google, so what is my IP? Okay, see on there showing what's my IP. So click on there for check actually what's doing on there. See, okay, this is my browser. Then it's create a layer where it will show that I am in German, and this is my IP. Okay, showing. Then also create another layer, which one is Germany again. It will go on Google. Okay, so if you think this one is rich for you, then you can also create new one. So if I click on the new, then see it's it's changed. See, notice now it's Germany, then again Germany, then United Kingdom. So this way you can change this one. Okay, you can also clear your identify. See, if I click on there, then it's showing root browser will close all window and all website sessions will be lost and it will be create a new identify. Okay, this time available one identify. If I click, then it will create another identify. So let's see, is it create or not? Okay, okay, what is my IP? Let's check. See, okay, so I hope you understand, and you can also change your security. See, now it's showing standards. If you want to secure more, then you can change this one. If I click on there, then see, and they're showing security level also have safer. It's disable website features that are often dangerous. Okay, so select this one for security and it's protect from JavaScript and some font. Okay, math symbol are visible, audio and video. So autoclick will be disabled, and for more also can check this one and it will be disable everything which one will be dangerous for you. Okay, so on there also have so many options. Okay, it's for general and it's for privacy security and it's for whom. Okay, in this lecture I will show you. So first open Tor browser. Okay, and they're showing not connected, so connect. Dark webs, and dark webs top rated domain is .onion. So first we will see some list. Okay, see on there number one is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so okay, now see on there if I see it's a DuckDuckGo. It's for natural site. Okay, but for dark web the URL is this one. See .onion, and see how it's look like. It's a very long and you don't remember this name. See how it's look like. Okay, but the same search engine, one for natural and one for dark webs. So that means it's for dark webs. So it's a safety is so don't showing the image. So if I change this one, then it will show. Okay, now again refresh. Okay, okay, now search hi. See, similar. Okay, result looks like similar. Okay, okay, and the second one is Ahmia, and it's also for onion, and it's one of the most useful search engine. Let's see, we know about Google search engine. No name is google.com, but remember this name because dark every is very annoying. Okay, so when you visit a site, then you can copy the URL if you like this site. Okay, then when you need again, then you can visit very easily. Okay, now on their search. Okay, hi, let's see what's happened. Now see on there showing it's not looks like. Okay, on there also showing .com. Okay, when I used onion for DuckDuckGo, then also showing .coms and also available .onion, but these engines only showing .onion. Okay, let's see this one. Hi world, dark web. Maybe it's a forum. Okay, it's redirecting on this site. Okay, it's look like a WordPress site. Okay, and check your name. That means on their every site is okay. So on their search icon, let's check what's showing on there. Okay, and they're showing not found it. Okay, let's check this one iPhone X. Okay, it's onion, so it takes some time because on there have so many traffic. So showing iPhone shop, but it's a risky, but then you can buy on there. So you must use Bit. Then go to another page and on there showing for product order. Okay, abc at the rate of gmail.com. Okay. Okay, United States. Those. Oh, see on there showing wallet number. If you pay, then you deliver it. Okay. So it's another site. Okay. So on the price X. Okay, and product sold showing 8. So I hope you understand about the search engine. So if you want to know, okay, okay, now showing basic. Okay, one. Okay, it's another one. So based on there. Okay, it's another search engine here. Okay, so okay, search shop. So many result. Okay, let's check or not. On the showing invalid. Okay, okay, maybe this is down now. Okay, let's check another one. Search engine, torch. Okay, search. Hi. Okay, see matching all words or matching only words. That means if I give another words, Hi everyone. Now see on the showing hi everyone and also available hi. If I select matching all words, then only will show hi everyone. See, hi everyone, hi everyone, hi everyone. Okay, let's check the first one. Maybe it's a forum. Okay, and maybe it's a library. Let's see what is this. Yeah, it's a library and it's for book. That means on there you can read or download books. Let's see. Okay, so choose religions. Okay, and on there available so many books. Suppose I want to read this one, so click read it. If you want to interest download, you can download. So choose any, read. Okay, from next page click on there and it will go. Okay, so okay, then it's a Facebook. Also use Facebook on there. Okay, so let's suppose you must give the username and password. Click the login, or if you want to create a new one, then you can create. Okay, and see CIA, that means CIA also use onion site. Okay, on there you can see there's page. Okay, and it's for Bitcoin wallet. So if you want to buy anything, so you must use Bitcoin's wallet. Okay, for secure yourself. And see, it's a Central Intelligence Agency sites. Okay, and it's a Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so remember screen, it's a dangerous. Okay, then mega tool. Okay, see, it's a mega tool, and on there also available. That means everything is available on there. So you need to find your way. Okay, so in this lecture, I will show you how you can collect fake address. Okay, so first open your favorite browser, then go any search engine. Okay, see on there I use a extension for change my IP. Okay, then search on there fake address generation. Okay, Okay, maybe on there I need to give their proof that I am not a robot. Okay, so traffic light, select. Okay, then enter. Okay, select vehicles. Okay, now see, they're showing so many site address generations. Okay, also use .org. Say one of the most useful site for fake address generations. See, it's showing now USA fake address generation. So basic information, that means his name, gender, title, race, date of birth. Then also they give social security number. Okay, then also have details about address. Then also have his more basic information. Okay, also add on their driving license and employees and finance. Okay, and also have cards number. Actually it's a fake, but you can use so many where and you need to give the info. Okay, so if you need anywhere, then you can give this info. Okay, so suppose I need some specific zip code, so I can use on there. Okay, so for New York, okay, use New York City zip code is 10080, and where you want to select, and you also select random gender. Okay, I select female, and if I enter, okay, then it's showing something is wrong. Okay, so only use 10080 and male, female. Okay, New York City, New York. Okay, now enter. Now see, they're showing New York, but zip code is, and he, this name is for female. And if you want to need for fake address for Canada, then you can click on there. It's for Canada. Also available real address for AU. Click on there. Now showing real address. His name is, phone number also available to use fake but real address. Okay, also available phone numbers everyone's. Okay, so let's check is available this zip code or not. No, zip code isn't work. So you can New York. Okay, type on it. Okay, yeah, New York available. Now again type zip code for check. Is it work or not? No, zip code is not works. Okay, so this way you can generate anyone's fake address, and in the next lecture I will show you how you can use this one. Okay, and when you need to use this one. Okay, so best of luck. In this lecture I will show you how you can use temporary number for verify. Okay, so let's see. So first open your favorite browser, then you can search on there receive SMS online. Okay, now see on there showing so many numbers sites on there. Okay, this one, see on there available so many numbers. Okay, you can use any one on there. Okay, suppose I want to choose this one, so click on there, open. Now okay, minutes ago on there create a BK accounts with this number, and available, okay, with this number. And see, also create another one WhatsApp number, and also have so many accounts. Also have Ubers. Okay, let's see, is it available or not? Uber. Okay, so go to Uber. Okay, let's create. I have account. Okay, reject. Okay, sign in to rider. We don't know which account available with this number. Okay, let's see. Okay, give the number is okay. So it's Indian. So first change. So Indians 91. Okay, let's choose. Okay, I'm Indian. Then the number is this one. Okay, then click the next. Okay, now showing, yeah, available. So you must give the code for logging. Okay. So see on there available a code. Okay, this one it's okay, it's 1 hour ago. So let's check is it work or not. It won't work, but we can give this one for check. It's not verified. Okay, so recent code, click on there. Okay, too many okay attempts. Okay, so click update message for update. Actually it takes so many times. Okay, so on this showing welcome to your app designed to make your booking smooth. Okay, and it's from 11 minutes ago. Okay, let's check this code. Maybe it also not work. Okay, because it's from 11 minutes ago. So this way you can verify, but it takes some times. Okay, let's check another site. It's receivesms.org. On there available USA, Canada, United Kingdom, and Poland. Okay, let's check Poland number. And on there available only one number. Okay, read SMS. Click on there and see it's recently. Okay, so let's see it's for 38 things for Uber use, and also use so many sites for also available Telegram with this number, Discord, and WhatsApp, Facebook, everything's available. So let's check actually is it available or not for Facebook, this number. Okay, so go to Facebook. Okay, so click forget and password for check actually is it available or not. Okay, so first class sign. Okay, let's see. See on the showing, yeah, it was available, but this account has been disabled because they think it's a fake, so they disable. But was available with this number. Okay, so let's check. Wasn't it? Okay, we don't get. Okay, sorry, this number. Okay, so let's try with this number Uber account. Okay, so I can go uber.com. Let's check is it work or not. Okay, but try to sign up. Okay, create a rider. On this showing this number already create or not. So on there they said forget the code. Okay, let's see. Yeah, on there get a code 6 seconds ago. So let's try this code on there. Wow, create account. Now they said forget the password. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay. So on there they said already available account. So give I forget my password. So again you need to give the email address which one they use. Okay. So set we get the code. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. The online shopping Pakistani and Bangladeshi side. So let's try this one. Okay. So click sign up. So create a new one. I don't know it will work or not, but try. Okay. So first you give plus sign and do this one. And they already sent a code. Okay, so wait a few seconds. Sometimes server was too slow, so it takes some times. Okay, so you must wait few seconds, and sometimes you maybe wait for 30 or 1 hour because it's a temporary, so you must wait. Okay, so let's see is it work or not. Okay, you can resend after 25 seconds. Okay, let's see. By the way, with this way you can see who create accounts and see if he create account with this number WhatsApp. That means you can also see who what is using this person, okay, with this number. Okay, so again recent. So updates sometimes don't give the message, so I click the recent. We already see that Ubers, from Ubers we get the code, and now using another online shopping shop, and it's from Bangladesh. Okay, so let's see is it work or not. I already said sometimes it takes so many times, so you must wait for use. So this way you can create any accounts anywhere, but you must wait. Okay, so okay, let's try another one. Okay, now try same site but for Pakistan. Okay, okay, click sign up. So it takes so many times. Okay, So on there available so many sites. So when you need some number will work. So sometimes you will feel annoying, but if you try to find, then you will get a new one and it will work. Okay. So that's it. Inshallah. See you in the next lecture. Verify with email as anonymous. So let's start. Okay. So open your favorite browser and search on the temporary email verify. Okay, you can also search temp mail on there. Available so many temp mail sites. See? Okay. Okay, it's showing for verify. Okay, now showing on there your temporary email verify address is loading. That means you must wait few seconds for get. Okay, now showing this mail. Okay, it's for temporary, but I recommend you to use this one. Okay, it's a 10-minute email.net. See on there available so many email. Okay, suppose it's a dot 10-minute email.net. Now I want to use educational mail, so delete this one and see now I get a email which one is for educational mail. Okay, so for copy you can click on there for copy and suppose I copy this one recovery key. Okay, now I delete and after so many days I need this mail, so I can click on there and if I give this one, then if I submit, then I will see the previous email. See, it's showing on there. Okay, so with this email we can verify anywhere. Okay, so let's try this one. So click sign up, then choose register. Okay, on the showing phone, I'm not interested, I want to create account with email, so click on the email, then give the email, then click on there, then let's see. Okay, you must wait for 1 minute. Okay, forget and remember it will after 10 minutes. Okay, and now available 9 minutes. Okay, so if you want to go 10 minutes, then again 10 minutes. Okay, it starts from 10 minutes. Okay, and if you copy this one, then when you need this mail you will get easily. Okay, so it's refresh after 10 seconds, every 10 seconds. Okay, I already said you must wait for 1 minute, but see on there already get verify your identify. It's from daras.com dd. Okay, so see we get a key and copy this one and paste on there and now give the password. Okay, abc. Okay, XYZ. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay. Give anything one. Okay, then first name XYZ and sign up. Okay. See, we create a account with this mail. Okay. Okay, so it's for Pakistani site. Okay, you can use this way any account. Let's try another one. It's another site. So let's try to create with mail. Yeah, it's available. Okay, first copy and paste on there. Okay, give the first name, date of birth, select on there. Okay, okay, must 18 years old. Okay, it's so fast. Okay, okay. Give a password. Okay, it's similar, so it's not working. Okay, give this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, select brief. Okay, verify. Okay, accept. Okay, letter. I will do letter. Okay, I will do letter. Let's check. We'll get any message or not. Yeah, we get a message. Okay, it's from Daras. So, okay, maybe on there you don't need to verify your sale. Maybe. I'm not sure. So go to profile for check. Okay, identify verification, show other, go to batch. Oh, but we create a account with this mail. Okay, this way you can create anywhere any account without anything. See on there we get a mail. Okay, for verification on the showing, please confirm your mail address. It's my mail address, so click on there and it will verify. So see, I'm just showing, yeah, it's true. You are this one. So I'm not interested to upload anything at this time. So this way you can create any account. That's it. In this lecture, I will show you how you can use it from online. Okay, so it's a site where you get random test credit card number generate. Okay, so you need to give bin number. Okay, you can give randomly. Okay, then you can select on there. On there will create 10. If I click generate, you can also give 15 or 50. Create on there. Now see on the create 10. Okay, now we need to check is it which one is active, which one is dry, and which one is unknown. Okay, let's check. On there we can check. It says easy checker. Okay, let's click start. See on there have live 0. That means it's working. Okay, live 0. Okay, where on there will show, that means it will active, and if show die, that means it's down, and unknown, that means nothing. Okay, so let's see. Okay, actually it's not working. Maybe again check. Okay, give 15. Okay, another randomly create. Okay, maybe it's down now. Okay, okay, check this. Okay, check this one. Give on there and 69470. Now click start. Okay, 15 is unknown. Okay, okay, create 50 and they're showing everything is unknown. Okay, now check. Okay, incorrect capture 98545. Okay, now okay, it's showing everything is unknown. Okay. In this lecture, I will show you how you can send email anyone without any email as anonymous. So you don't create any account and you can send any email, okay, from any account. So let's see practically. Okay, so I want to mail on this mail. So we can use this one for send mail. Okay, so let's copy this. It's Indian side. Okay, first enter your name. Okay, ABC. Okay, then your mail. Okay, suppose Facebook at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, it's my mail and send to this one, and subject is it's fake. Is it work? Okay, let's send. Okay, before send you need to enter the key. Okay, okay, now send mail. Okay, showing sent successful. Let's see, is it showing on there or not? Okay, let's try another one. And see, it's another site on there. You can also get mail and you can send. For send, click on the compose where this mail and the subject is it's fake. Okay, to and give some. You can also attach file on there. Will work. Okay, so you can also choose on there your mail. Okay, so choose this one. Okay, now this is my mail. Okay, so how you can send on there? Okay, okay, on there available send button. Click on there. Okay, I am not a robot. Okay, then choose heels. Okay, okay, then verify done. Get. Okay, let's see. First we get from sender email is facebook at the rate of gmail.com and subject is it's fake. Okay, that means it's done. Okay, I also give this one. Okay, let's try this one. Same fake number. Okay, message. Okay, something randomly then sent mail. Okay, this site cannot reach, that means maybe this time it's temporary down. Then also available so many sites. Okay, so this way you will get SMS. Okay, so that's it. In this lecture, I will introduce you to some dark web mail. So let's start. So first open Tor Browser and it start with new identify. Okay, see. Okay. Now I go Ahmia search engine. Okay, then first we will see Proton mail. Okay, so search on there or find this mail. Okay, so let's see this one. From there have first one. It's a Proton mail. Okay, back Proton mail. See. Okay, now it's .com. But if I go on there, see, this is now onion. Okay, so you can access it onion. Okay, then another one is toolbox. So let's see how it's look like. Okay, the two mailbox. Remember the URL will be changed, so you don't need to remember the URL. You only need to collect the search engine. Okay, then search on there, then you will get. Okay, for sign up you can click sign up. Okay, then also available so many mail. Okay, so it's another one. See, is bit message gateway online on the darknet. Maybe it's an article. Okay, let's see what they say. Okay, and they're showing does a JavaScript enable, so you need to disable. Okay, no, check your email. Okay, so let's check another one. Is mail to. Okay, also available so many. Okay, on this way you can collect this one and you can use anyone on there. See, anonymous email service provider. Okay, and on there also have someone is paid, but you can use also freely. Okay, so that's it, and see you in the next lecture. In this lecture I will talk about private mail, because nowadays everyone using Gmail and Yahoo. So is it private mail? Actually not, it's not a private mail. So we need to know about private mail. So let's see, it's a Proton mail and it's a Gmail. Proton mail is anonymous private mail, but Gmail is the public mail, because see, Proton mail data not leaked to you. That means you don't leak anything about you, but Gmail see data leaked to you. That means everything will leaked from Gmail. So at this time Gmail is not private mail, it's a public mail, and they think you are the product. So You must use private mail to secure yourself. So let's see which one is the private mail. And nowadays, the best private mail is promote mail. Okay, proton mail. Okay, this one. So see, proton mail is end-to-end encryption mail service. Okay, and it's also available from Onion. Okay, so for create, you can click on there, sign up. Okay, see, also available free basic. On there you will get 500 megabyte storage. Remember facility, but on Gmail you will get huge facility, but on there you are not safe. But on there you are totally safe. Okay, so create, click sign up. Okay, then select. Okay, select free plan. Okay, okay, then username anonymous. Okay, 999 at the rate of protonmail.com, and password is okay. Click next. It's already used. Okay, okay. I'm the anonymous 999. Wow, it's also okay. 987. Okay, what is 786? Yeah, it's available. Okay, so for recovery, can add any email or phone number. If okay, so now I am using free plan, so free. Okay, please. And Done. That's it. In this lecture, I will talk about TryHackMe website. Okay, so search on there. TryHackMe. Okay, it's short THM. Okay, THM. Okay, see, it's a free online platform for learning cybersecurity. Okay, so on there, learning. Okay, so open this one, tryhackme.com. Okay, if you have an account, then you can log in. I have not, so okay, then you need to give the username. Okay, okay. Anonymous 999. Okay, Gmail on the anonymous 999 at the rate of gmail. Okay, then give the password. Okay, I am not robot. Okay, hire. Choose this one. Okay, now click sign up or create new one. Okay, it's not available. Anonymous 999. Oh, okay, then use the anonymous 999. Let's check it. Is it available now or not? Yes, it's available. Okay, okay, save. Now you can choose your level. If you are beginner, then you can choose beginner. Okay, if you advance, then you can choose advance. Okay, okay. I think you are beginner, so you are joining this course, so you can choose beginner, or you can also choose early intermediate if you have some skill. Okay, if you only know about how can use Linux or some attack, if you know how can do, then you can choose early intermediate. Okay, it's not matter which one you are choosing. Okay, so click continue. Okay, I chose early intermediate. Okay, then why are you learning cyber security? Okay, I think you want to do career, so choose this one to start a career in cyber. Okay, then continue. Okay, see on there now showing welcome to TryHackMe. You can choose your learning path on there. Okay, it's for totally beginner. Okay, you can choose this one. Okay, then it will show on there. Okay, we create a new account on there. See, it's a new account, totally fresh account. Now you need to verify. Okay, for verify, go to Gmail. So search on there gmail.com. Okay, see on there showing. Okay, so verify. For verify, choose verify email.
it's verified. Okay, and they're showing welcome to track me, the anonymous. Okay, it's my username. Okay, that's it.